Good morning, student of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we will learn shapes. That means we will study about shapes. We have 2D shapes and 3D shapes. What these are? Let's see. First, we study about 2D shapes. What is the mean of 2D? Full form of 2D is two-dimensional. Two-dimensional shapes. Okay. Two-dimensional means in 2D shapes we have length and breadth. Length and breadth. How? Let's see. First shape we have square. This one is square. Okay. Now how this is 2D shape? कैसे हुई है 2D shape? Let's see. That means in this shape we have only length. This one is from up to down. This one is length and breadth from this one breadth. Okay, sleeping line will called breadth. We have only two shapes, two properties in this. First, length and second is breadth. Okay, so we call these shapes 2D shape. Second shape we have triangle, and in this triangle also we have two property. What two property? Length and breadth. Length and breadth. That's why we call 2D shape. Okay, this one is triangle. We have only length and breadth. Next shape we have rectangle. Next shape we have rectangle. In this also we have only 2D. 2D means two properties, two dimensional. Two dimensional means we have length. This one is length of rectangle and this one is breadth. Okay, so these are 2D shapes. These called 2D shapes. In these shapes we have only length and breadth. We don't have in these shapes weight. That means motai. We don't have in these shapes any weight. That means motai. Okay, we don't have. So we call these shapes 2D shapes. In a square shape, we have four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides we have in square, and all sides will be equal. All sides of square will be equal. And in triangle we have 3 sides. 1, 2 and this one is 3. 3 sides we have in triangle and 3 sides in triangle. Okay, and all sides can be equal, not equal. Equal हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी. That will be we will study in our higher classes. Okay, now we have this one is triangle. Triangle also have 4 sides. Okay, these are 4 sides, but opposite sides of triangle will be same. Opposite sides means front sides. This one and this one will be equal in triangle, and this side and this side will be equal in triangle. We have one difference in square shape and rectangle shape. That is, in rectangle opposite sides will be equal, and in square all sides will be equal. Okay students, now we will study about 3D shapes. What is the full form of 3D? 3D means three dimensional. 3D means three dimensional. Okay, we have some shapes, 3D shapes here. How these are 3D shapes? I'll tell you. Okay, these are 3D shapes. This one is sphere. This one is triangular pyramid. This one is different and this one is different. Both are different. This is triangular pyramid and this one is shape of cone. Shape of cone. Okay, and this one is our square. Okay, and this one is our slender. Okay, shape of slender. So let's see how these shapes are 3D shapes and why these shapes we called 3D shapes. 3D shape means in 3D shape we have three properties: length, breadth and width. Length, breadth and width. लंबाई, चौड़ाई और मोटाई. Okay, this one is cuboid. Okay, now in this shape we have length of this one. This one is length of cuboid. This one is breadth. Okay, this one is breadth of cuboid. This one is length of cuboid. Two properties we have. And if see like this, this one is breadth, that means width, that means motai. Okay, in 3D shapes we always have three properties: length, breadth and width. लंबाई, चौड़ाई और मोटाई. Like this we have a slender. Okay, now this one is length, this one is breadth and this one, if we see, this one is weight. Okay, that means motai. That's why we call these shapes 3D shapes. In 3D shapes we got some qualities in these. First, face. What is the mean of face? Edge and corners. Okay, in 3D shapes we got faces, edges and corners of all shapes. Now what are the name of 3D shapes? First, cube. Second is cuboid. Third is cone. Fourth is slender. Fifth is sphere. Sixth is triangular pyramid. Okay, now how many faces, edges and corners in these shapes? We will study about that. Okay, first of all, what is the mean of face? Face, how many types we can put a shape that is called face? How? Let's see. First shape we have cuboid. Okay, and how many type we can put this one? These are called face. Okay, these are called face. Now I can put this one like this. So this one is face. This one is face and I can put here like this also. Like this also. So these are face. How can we put a shape? कैसे हम किसी शेप को रख सकते हैं? These are called face. Okay. So this one is face of this shape. Okay. So how many shapes in cube we have? 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means I can put this 6 type. This one, this one, this one. So we have faces in cube. 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Next we have edges. What is the mean of edge? Edge means where two faces meet, that called edge. Where two faces meet, that is called edge. So let's see. This one is also face and this one is face. Okay, and both faces are meet this side. So this one is edge. This one is edge. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I am going to put this shape 1 this side. 4 that side, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have these also because these are face and face, both face are meet here, so this one is also edge. 8 we have already, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 is in cube we have. Next we have corners, and another name of corners is vertices. Okay, corners or vertices. How many corners and what is the mean of vertices or corners? Where two edges meet, that point called corners. Okay, now these are edges. Okay, these are edges, and where two edges meet, this is edge and this is also edge, both are meet here. Okay, both are meet here, so this one called corner or vertices. So how many corners or vertices we have in cube? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means 8 corners or vertices we have in cube.